Market development can be achieved on a regular and continuous introduction of key incentives that encourages investors. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week we talked about the ASM market and the impact of Omoluabi savings and loans listing. Today we want to talk about zero-fee stock trading app, what the market expects. It is no gainsay that the introduction of online trading portals has revolutionized stock trading in the Nigerian capital market space, as more dealing firms continue to follow similar steps after Meristem Securities Ltd pioneered the launch of online trading portal with our Meritrade. Subsequently, more online trading portals were introduced into the market, inclusive of Lead Trader, Morgan Capital Trade, Banker E12, InvestNow.ng, Average Investor, Easy Trade, and the latest being Meritrade book by Greenwich Trust Ltd. Having succeeded in the launch of their online trading portal, the next step expected of market operators is a mobile version of these portals, which will make trading easier and convenient for investors, most especially those at the retail end of the market. Most importantly, investors' expectation will be that the mobile app comes with a no-cost, that is, zero brokerage commission incentive, since trading can now be done without assist or broker's interference. With stock trading now technologically driven, brokerage firms can now operate with significantly less overhead, as the amount usually spent on paperwork that goes with the buying and selling of equities will reduce to a minimal level. Thus, brokerage service will be less costly to retail investors, while dealing firms will make money via interest on funds or asset management, trading on margins, and trading on huge volumes by key investors. This, in effect, supports market regulators and other stakeholders' drive to improve general investors' confidence and active market activities. By implication, therefore, the introduction and eventual launch of zero-fee stock trading app will surely lead to more retail investors engaging in active trading, thus increasing market activities, and attraction of the younger generations and less wealthy individuals to the stock market, since they can trade with smaller amounts without having their potential earnings eaten up by excessive brokerage charges. Restoration of investor confidence in the market, and it will help drive the initiative already put in place by regulators on market improvement. The following companies are ready to hold its AGM soon: Enameware PLC on the 18th of December 2014. On corporate action, Sky Shelter Fund recommended a 5.25 per unit coupon payment, with payment date set for 16 December 2014. On announcement in the market, Mansard complete transfer of ownership to AXA. Further to the market bulletin of 28 November 2014 on the above captioned, Mansard Insurance PLC has notified the exchange that the process of transferring the ownership of Assure Africa Holdings Limited (AAH) to AXA was completed on 8 December 2014. In view of the acquisition of AAH, the beneficial ownership of the 77% of Mansard shares, the majority shareholder, has changed to AXA, while the legal ownership of the shares will not change. Skybank commences the completion phase of Main Street Bank acquisition. Greenwich Trust Ltd, acting on behalf of Skybank PLC, has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that further to its letter to the exchange, in which it formally notified the exchange of the intention of Skybank PLC to acquire stake in Main Street Bank Ltd from the Asset Management Corporation of Nigeria (AMCON), Skybank Ltd has received a no objection letter from the Securities and Exchange Commission. In view of the above, Skybank PLC and its advisor intend to commence the completion phase of the acquisition exercise and will duly notify the exchange upon fulfillment of all conditions precedent to the transaction. Mansard announces proposed acquisition of Penam Pensions Limited. Mansard Insurance PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that the company will be acquiring 60% of the issued and paid-up share capital of a pension fund administrator (PFA) known as Penman Pensions Limited, and intends to run and operate the PFA as a subsidiary in the pension industry. Mansard informs that it is in the process of completing the transaction and have obtained regulatory approvals from the Pension Commission and the National Insurance Commission and the Securities and Exchange Commission. People and changes in board. MPF Microfinance Bank appoints Usman Issa Baba as acting chairman. MPF Microfinance Bank PLC has notified the exchange of the retirement of Mrs. F. Adebanjo as the chairman of the bank, in accordance with the provisions of the bank's article of association, having served for 9 years. Following her retirement, Mr. Usman Issa Baba has been appointed by the Board of Directors to fill the vacuum in acting capacity pending the appointment of a substantive chairman. The resignation of Mrs. Adebanjo and the appointment of Mr. Baba was approved by the bank's board at its meeting held on 7 December 2014. Baga appoints Sanjay Datwani as director. Baga Paint Nigeria PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange of the appointment of Mr. Sanjay Datwani as director of the company. That's all we have for you on this edition of the Nigerian Investor.